I am ashamed. I am appalled. I am Estoy decepcionado de este mundo, de cómo maltratamos a la naturaleza. I am so angry inside. It's like I have this rage inside of me because us human beings, especially when that greed takes over us, that greedy spirit takes over us, of companies who don't care about nature, who don't respect nature, who don't respect the mountains, the rivers, the lakes, the oceans, the birds, the flowers, the air, the clouds, the horses, the all kinds of animals. When corporations that make things, that manufacture things that that poison, that affect the environment, it breaks my heart. And I'm ashamed, I'm angry, I'm so tan decepcionado, I'm so disappointed at this world. It really is. I'm not gonna give up hope. I'm gonna keep up hope. I'm gonna keep the faith, but us humanity, we need to do better, and we need to put pressure, and we need to respect nature. Nature is alive. Nature is a living substance. Is Nature is alive. It has life in it. A tree, a plant, animals. It's a living being. And I believe, I believe if you're religious, I think when you respect nature, you respect God, because God created nature. So us as humanity, we need to do better with the clothes that we have, with how we use plastic, with the food that we eat, cut down on eating red meat and killing animals unnecessarily. Um, we need to do better with not supporting all these fast fashion companies like Zara and H&M that create all these clothes that where people in other third world countries are being exploited, and they get paid like $1. All these sweatshops, people are treated like shit. You know, such a disrespect of humanity. Such a They have no value for people in other parts of the world, and I am so disappointed. It's like, we need to do better for the next generations. We need to do better for our children, for the people that are coming after us, with how we do things. And we need to get involved in politics and help be part of pushing laws and resolutions that take care of our planet, of and we need to take responsibility and demand that corporations do their part in protecting nature, whether they manufacture clothes or oils or whatever is being manufactured, that they respect nature. Respect nature. Respeta a la Pachamama. Respeta a la naturaleza. The Incas, the Mayas, the pre-Hispanic indigenous people, they they revere, they respect nature to the utmost, so much so that they will create rituals for thunder. They will create rituals for lightning. They'll create rituals for mountains, because it was more of a respect, of a reverence kind of thing. It wasn't so much of of idolatry. It wasn't an idolatry thing. It was more of an honor, respect, and they understood that, and they respected nature, and they work with nature. They didn't force nature to do things or mass produce things. And humanity have lost that. But I feel like there's hope, and we need to keep ourselves educated. We need to educate our kids, educate our neighbors. We need to have conversations among us, with your friends, with anybody. Pass the word. Talk about nature. Talk about the environment. Talk about how we can um, care for everything that we do. That we don't trash. That we don't litter in the streets. Just basic things, you know. It's like this is just basic. That we don't throw trash in the streets. That we stay away from plastic as much as possible. That we don't hoard or buy polyester made clothing, or clothing made out of synthetic fabrics, because when that fabric, it takes a long time for that fabric to decompose, and it's not biodegradable. It's not bio, and that's what that means. It's not biodegradable. So um, it takes years and years for it to decompose, and when it burns, it actually emits chemicals, because it's made from petroleum based things. So think about buying cotton, and just minimize the clothes that you have. Keep your life simple, and don't overspend. You know, put your money on a bank account, on a savings account, and go on a trip to a nature. Go to a nature trip. You know, to somewhere that you like that has nature. Use that use your money that way, or other things, instead of material things that are, especially material things that are made in low quality, you know, from low quality materials, fabrics. I just have a passion for. I'm very passionate about nature, because I am a scuba diver, and the underwater world is just breathtaking, and I just want to protect them, and I want to be a voice for them, just like there are a lot of other warriors and hard chargers and people out there that speak up for nature and protect animals and protect the oceans. I'm also one of them, you know, because this is our home. Uh, Planet Earth is our home, and we are all part of this planet, and we all have to put our part in taking care of this planet. You know, we want to have a nice home, a home that is clean, a home that is healthy. So consider that. Think about that. You know, this is we're all part of the human family, and every little action matters. Every little action. Don't think that it doesn't matter. It does. Every little action. And remember, your actions to speak louder than your words. People watch what you do. People don't listen so much to what you say, but they watch what you do. And when you think nobody's watching you, someone is watching you. People are watching you, and they'll follow you. They'll emulate what you do, not what you say. Um, so protect nature. You know, talk about ways of caring for everything, everything, just caring every aspect of nature with what you eat, what you buy, how you dress, the fabrics that you buy, you know, where you put your trash, buying plastic. It is our home, it is our planet, and we have to do a better job in taking care of this planet. It is possible though. I do not lose hope. I am very optimistic. I am very hopeful, and it'll get better. I'm not trying to sound like that it gets better situation, but let's do better for the generations to come, for our kids, our nephews, our nieces, for the children of the world. Bye. Have a great day, guys. You can see that's a little passion of mine that's been in my heart for the past few months. Bye. And cut.